If you're making six figures a year, how can you leverage on tax advantages effectively? Don't you know that if you're earning 100,000 in New Jersey, you're paying between $25,000 to $26,000 in taxes every single year? That's almost a quarter of your income. In this video, we're going to dive deep into the world of tax advantages specifically tailored to nurses and keep more of your hard-earned money in your pocket. While taxes may seem daunting, as Benjamin Franklin famously stated, they're one of life's certainties. While cutting back on day-to-day expenses like dining or transportation that can save you a few dollars, taxes can consume a substantial portion of your income, ranging from 10 to 37%. With this in mind, let's explore two simple and practical strategies to minimize your tax burden. First, it's essential to grasp how taxes function. Income tax calculation and applicable tax varies with typically two main categories: federal and income state taxes, both deducted directly from your paycheck. Federal tax rates apply universally across United States, while state tax may differ based on your location. And whether you're just starting your nursing career or you're a seasoned pro, understanding the fundamentals of tax saving strategies is an important essential skill as nurses for our financial well-being. The second strategy, which is the most practical one, is take full advantage of retirement accounts available to you. The 401k or 403b, these are plans offered by your employers. Contributions to these accounts are made with pre-tax dollars, meaning they lower your taxable income for the year. And additionally, many employers offers matching contributions on your retirement account, so strive to contribute enough to maximize the benefits, which are essentially free money towards your retirement savings. It is crucial to consider retirement benefits early on in your nursing career because this can significantly boost your retirement savings over time. So let's explore the differences between a 401k and a 403b plans. 401k, these retirement plans are offered by for-profit organizations or corporations. So if you work for a private sector employer, you are eligible for a 401k retirement plans. While 403b, also known as tax shelter annuity, 403b plans are typically offered by public schools, universities, or hospitals and other tax-exempt organizations. If you work for a nonprofit organization like I do, or a public educational institution, you are eligible for a 403b retirement plan. As we dig deeper into retirement plans, if you're new here, my name is Robie. I'm a nurse based here in New Jersey, and in this channel we talk about career growth and financial wellness. As a hiring manager, I often get asked this question: how can I enroll in a 403b plans, and when can I start contributing? Your employer will typically provide information on how to enroll in the retirement plans, and including deadlines and contribution options. Once you're enrolled, you can usually start contributing to the plan on your next paycheck, subject to any waiting periods or eligibility requirements set up by your employer. If you're new in the nursing job and you need more clarification regarding retirement plans, reach out to Human Resources Benefits Specialist, and they will give you more information that you need for retirement plans. Other questions that you may ask regarding 401k or 403b. What are the contribution limits? As of 2023, the 401k or 403b contribution limit is $22,500. And if you're aged 50 or older, you are eligible for an additional catch-up contribution for $7,500 per year. We are all in a different financial situation. So starting to contribute to your retirement savings, even if it's a modest amount, is crucial for building long-term financial security. Every contribution, no matter how small, adds up over time, and thanks to the power of compounding. I didn't start early enough in my retirement savings. So if you start early, you give your investments more time to grow, potentially multiplying your initial contributions many times over, even if you're only able to contribute a small percentage of your income initially. It's a step in the right direction and sets the foundation for a secure financial future. It's for you. Your familiar question is, can I contribute to 401k and 403b retirement plans if I have access to both? This may happen if you have two jobs. One is nonprofit and the other one is a private sector. So yes, you can contribute to both 401k and 403b if your employer offers both options. However, your combined contributions to both plans cannot exceed the annual contribution limits set by the IRS. Another question, do employers typically offer matching contributions to 403b plans like they do with 401k plans? While some employers may offer matching contributions to 403b plans, it is generally less common in the nonprofit and public sectors compared to profit organizations. Fortunately, our organization offers matching contributions depending on the years of service. So say for example, you earn 100,000 a year and you are eligible for a matching contribution of 4%. So if you earn 100,000 annually and your employer offers a 4% match on your contribution to your retirement account, here's how you can calculate the employer match. Determine that your annual contribution is 4% of your annual salary. So 4% over 100,000. So your employer would contribute 4,000 to your retirement account as a match to your contributions. How much should you contribute to get the 4%? In order for you to get the full $4,000 match from your employer, you would need to contribute $4,000 also to your retirement account over the course of the year. Contributions to both 401k and 403b plans are made with pre-tax dollars, meaning they lower your taxable income for the year. This can result in your immediate tax savings. For example, your income for the year was $100,000 and you contributed to your 403b $4,000. Then your employer will report $96,000 as taxable income to the IRS and to you through your W-2 form. Remember, it's not about how much you contribute right away, but rather about developing the habit of saving and investing for the future. As your income increases or your financial situation improves, you can always consider increasing your contributions. The most important thing is to start as soon as possible and remain consistent with your savings efforts while minimizing your tax burden through retirement plans contributions. Educating yourself on tax matters and enlisting the expertise of a tax advisor are crucial steps in managing your taxes effectively. If you need personal guidance on managing your taxes effectively, you can call PHILAMTAX. I will link the number below in the comment section and the description so you will get professional advice to empower you to maximize your tax efficiently and ultimately build a stronger financial foundation for the future. If you have more questions regarding retirement plans, 401k or 403b to leverage tax advantages, let me know in the comments below. Let us be tax savvy nurses. And if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.